Okay, update 2. We've got the new spark plug cap. It's exact replacement to it, but it's black obviously. That looks good on there. I've just put petrol in it now. It's unleaded, but apparently this engine's meant for unleaded, so I'll need to get some additives sometime, but I just want to see if this will start first. So I'm just going to see if I can get this to do anything, maybe. Choke on. That's the choke on. See if we can get us to do it again. Wow. Okay, well that's not got a kill switch on it anywhere, so I'm gonna have to see if I can wire one. So I just killed it there by throttling it down too much. That's amazing, because I've not even had to adjust the carb or clean it or anything. So for £10, that is a great engine. Okay, nothing's ever simple. We've got fuel pissing out of it everywhere, and I'm not really sure where it's coming from. Well, that's the bottom of the carb. And it's coming out from under this bolt here and this bolt here. So unless I can sort something out, anyone got any ideas what it might be? Because I don't really fancy taking the whole thing apart and looking at it, so that would be helpful. Right, see you later.